Alright guys, welcome to week 4, the Renaissance part 2. And in this particular week, we have an easy week. We're just going to be handling another section of the Renaissance. This will be our last week covering it. Now this week, you guys, your assignment's pretty simple. I have uploaded a reading guide, and it's 3 pages long, but the last page is literally the questions. Now I have crossed out some of the questions for you guys to kind of limit it a little bit more. So read through the reading guide. It's only a few pages, and then obviously answer the questions. You can print the reading guide off if you want and fill it out, scan it, or take a picture and send it back in via Google Classroom. If you want to answer the questions on a separate sheet of paper, and again, just make sure you're numbering your answers so I know what question you're answering. You can take a picture or you can scan it and you can upload that to Google Classroom. Or what you can do is you can read the reading guide and you can have a Google Doc up, and if you want to just follow the questions in a Google Doc, you can do that, answer the questions via typing, and then submit that Google Doc to Google Classroom. Okay, there's a million different ways that you could do it. You could do something different than that too. Okay, you can make a video of yourself answering the question. There's a million different ways out there. Just make sure that you answer the questions in some form, somewhere, and get those to me via Google Classroom. Okay, but that's your assignment for this week. It is due on Sunday night, as always. If you have any questions, email me. It's the best way to get a hold of me. I can't stress that enough. I'm logged in 8 to 3 every day. So email me within that time slot and I'll be able to get back to you as fast as I possibly can. That's all I got for this week, guys. It's a simple one. Wrapping up the Renaissance. Hope you guys are doing good. Hope to see you guys soon. Have fun learning, everybody. Talk to you later.